Hi everybody, it's Anne from Portage here. Hope you're all safe and well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sensory packet to use with your child. We're going to use resources that come from fairly cheap shops, pound shops, home bargains, that kind of place. No need to spend lots and lots of money. To start with, you're going to need some laminator packets. They're quite easy to get. This one is a matte finish, and I think the gloss finish ones would probably be better for this activity. So you take your iron and you iron down the long sides of the laminator packet, leaving you with an open end like a pocket like this. I would go over the edges twice at least with your iron and make sure that that's a nice good seal. Now in the laminator packet you're going to pop in attractive things, make it a pretty thing. We've got some buttons and some sequins, this kind of thing. You might want to put some glitter in there. You might want to put some animals if you're teaching animals to your child, some little farm plastic animals. This time I'm going to use an Easter theme, so I've got some bunnies and some Easter eggs, chicks. Pop all those in. You can do fairly good amount of stuff goes in there. And then we're going to need something to make this liquid. So I've got some cheap shower gel or shampoo there, which is just a clear gel. Hair gel you can use. You could use custard. You could use vegetable oil. You could use beans. Anything at all could go in there. Try not to get any gel around the top of the packet, because this might just affect the seal when you iron over the last side. So you take your iron, go over the top of it, and then you should end up with a lovely sensory bag. All the stuff in there moves around so much your child can squeeze it. You can put it in the fridge to make it nice and cool. You could leave it in this lovely sunshine to make it nice and warm. Gives your child lots of nice exciting textures to feel, and they can move around the things inside, so you can look for things together like a bit of a treasure hunt as well. Hope you get on well with those. Send us your videos.